Valentine's Day. I'm rocking the Love Yourself since Valentine's Day is tomorrow. And I want to take you on a day in my life. Let's go. First things first, we arrive. Warehouse is looking cute and we got some packages delivered and I'm super excited about them, and I was actually just about to go open them, but then I was like, hey, I should film this vlog, so let's go. Before we can open packages, let's get some lights on in here. This is still everything I need to unbox, but it's getting a lot better. The lights are so pretty in here. I feel like it's really coming together. It's looking colorful and bright and happy. I'm gonna go turn on these cute little Christmas lights. So let me set down my tripod. I think the staircase and the lights are my favorite part about this warehouse. Okay, now that the lights are on and looking gorgeous, I'm gonna go get all those packages, put them on a table, and then we can open them up. Okay, I'm really excited to open these packages. I know what these two are. I'm not sure what this one is, so let's get to it. I'm gonna save this. Oh, yay! Okay, so y'all know my logo. It's like red, green, and like pinkish with yellow. I thought it would be so fun for the springtime to kind of incorporate like more spring colors and purple. By the way, y'all, I get all my stickers made at Sticker Mule. It's linked in the description if you want to check it out. But this is my normal rainbow design, but with more spring colors. I thought this would be so gorgeous. For springtime, I have clear, regular, and minis. I'm gonna open it. Oh my gosh, that's cute. Obsessed. Okay, this one is fun. Oh, it smells good. Oh, that's cute. Okay. So I ordered 12 of these. Very excited about it. It says Shop Small, a unique blend of supporting small businesses, making a business owner's day, and forming personal connections. Let's keep it up. Shop Maddie Green, handcrafted in PA. This is the scent. It's like ice champagne, berries, and oranges. And I have no idea what's in this box. It's pretty light. This is like the company I order my sun catchers from. Maybe it's like a thank you gift, or maybe I ordered something and I really just don't remember. This is so cute. What a sweet gift. I was like, I didn't order anything. Oh, how sweet. It says, Dear Maddie, we love our customers. What a great day to say we appreciate you and thank you for supporting our small business. Happy Valentine's Day. Oh, so sweet, and just in time for V-Day. Cute. I love the mouse pad. That'll be nice for doodling in bed and such. Okay, that was super fun opening packages. I love getting packages as a business owner because it feels like Christmas Day every time I get them. So next we need to prepare some orders for shipping because we have a UPS pickup today. Okay, my Rolo is on and ready to go. Okay, how many orders do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sweet. Create shipping label. Okay, once I hit this print button, I literally go run. I'm running. Because I want to capture this. That count as my cardio for the day? Just kidding, I'm actually taking a dance class tonight. It's like to Beyonce's Dance For You, and apparently there's like chairs and heels optional. Very excited. Next, I just pull these packing slips and then we can start to package the orders. This is for Lauren. If you're watching, it's 25472 is the order number. I definitely left the Sharpie here with the lid off all weekend. Hopefully it can be revived. I guess I'll be using this pink one today. Super cute. She got a 2XL brown cowboy boot hoodie and then a winter boot. Oh, tote bag, yay. I just launched those. What I like to do next is like decorate the invoice. So I make it all pretty. Hey, new order. I like to write on here like, hey Lauren, I hope you enjoy. And then I just set this here while I grab the rest of the items. The tote bags are actually right here. And I got these custom made, so they're like this, or you can wear it like this. Very cute, and it matches the hoodie she ordered as well. I'm just gonna fold that up. Got it. She got a 2XL, and this is the cowboy boot wildflower, and it matches that tote. So cute. Next, I just grabbed my little package by Maddie Green sticker. Back at our old warehouse in Colorado, we at one point had like 6 different employees. So I started making little stickers that said like packaged by so-and-so. That way you knew who packaged your order. How did I lose the Sharpie? Oh, there it is. Okay. And then I include a free print with every order, and then there's a discount code on the back. And then I just like to write her name. This is for Lauren. And then I'm gonna include this free sticker. It says be better than yesterday. Very cute. Now we gotta find our shipping label. I'm actually gonna get all of these ready for myself. This one's a big order. She is all good to go. I am going to do another order for you. This is for Jordan, and this is 25473, and they got a large You Are Golden crew neck. It's one of my favorites. I actually launched it a few years ago, inspired by like St. Patrick's Day, like gold, you are golden. It also is kind of like a Harry Styles reference. It's this beautiful cream colored crew, and then it has You Are Golden written on it, kind of like this, in embroidery, and it's metallic. It's so stunning. It's actually cream, it's not white. Look at that sparkle with the metallic. It's gorgeous. It's called our Luxe Soft Crew. It's the same as this pink one I'm wearing actually. We have like 3 different kinds of crews. We have our regular heavy blend, we have Luxe Soft, we have Comfort Luxe. Very fun. You Are Golden. This and the Create Your Own Luck crew, some of my favorites. They're some of y'all's favorites too. That along with the Love Yourself collection. You can't go wrong with some cute embroidery. This one's cute because it reminds me of like Valentine's Day. Oh, speaking of which, this scrunchie is also in my shop too, and it matches these vibes. While the orders are packaged and new inventory is open, I'll be spending the rest of the day opening these boxes on the shelves and organizing things on the shelves because I'm tired of not being unpacked. It's so hard though. It's a lot of work because there's just so much to do, but I'm gonna work on that for the rest of the day. So far, I got these shelves done and the rainbows over there. It's looking pretty good. I think I'll start right here. Okay, I'm gonna start the folding project with these guys. after folding, this is my favorite part, filling up this giant U-line container with recycled boxes to go to the recycling dumpster. I love this thing, it's so much fun. Hey y'all, that's all the content I have for today. Please like and subscribe and comment what other videos you want to see. Bye!